All right, I got the orange paint on here. So that'll indicate to you all on the film where we're going to be digging. That's not the actual width of the building. That's should be 2 foot on each side more. That'll give us room to get on the, I'm laying the block, and we're bringing up the membrane on the wall. Gives us room to work on it. So still, I can't get up there to spray paint. I mean, I could, but I'd be fighting. It's even more thick than it was when I made the first video on this. So I got probably some poison ivy, but definitely got some briars in there. There's briars in there last time. So I'm gonna get all that cleared out before I get back there, but trust me, there's 2 stakes back there. So when I can get to them, I'll put some orange paint on them. And so we're gonna start by pushing this, getting that from this level point right here, straight back to the bank, clear it out. I'm gonna start putting all the dirt over there. Then when we go to fill it back in around the 3 walls, some around the front probably, we'll have the dirt all in one place, and then whatever's left we can just transfer over there or somewhere. We always putting dirt in numerous places around here. So we'll actually be down to the level where the camera is sitting right now, which is probably about another foot down, give or take, maybe a little bit more than it's at right now. So our shelter might be just a tad lower. I'm not going to really know until we get in there and dig. I'm probably for now going to dig it out this level right here all the way back, because part of it's going to be exposed to the upside. I don't want water to flow and go down to the roof. I want it to be able to stop and drain around. So we'll have gravel all the way on the bottom. Maybe, I don't know if I'm wanting to do dirt to try to save some money around the outside, but maybe better off just to fill it all up with gravel, which obviously is more expensive. We've got a little bit of gravel now. We do need to get a load of gravel for the driveway, so it may work out that we'll have enough to do it. But we're going to be, I'm going to be clearing out all that brush right there as I go. I'm going to clear out a little bit so I can put some paint on the stakes up there. And I'm still not sure. I did not measure and square those stakes up at the top. I was just out here by myself that day, so those may not even be square to where I need to dig. But if we don't get them square, we'll be able to tell as we go. So we'll just use a tape measure as we go. So got a lot of work to do, and hopefully we can get on this soon. I'm hoping Robin can do it during the week. I haven't had much time when I'm off work, or I mean since I'm working out of town every day. I told y'all, if you're new to here, I usually get home from work between 5 and 6 o'clock every day. Just depends on traffic or how late I have to work, whatever. So that doesn't leave a whole lot of time to get anything done, because I usually am in bed around 9 o'clock. So just the way it is. But we will get it done. Had other stuff, come up. So it's a long process. I have to get used to that. Not used to it taking a long time. But we will get it done, and we'll be better off when it is done. So let's get started. Well, as you can see here, this ground, I mean, it is hard. It's hard as a rock almost. This clay, you can almost use it for mortar to lay and block. That's basically what we've got here. It's clay and rock. So it's going to take a while to dig this out. Plus, as you can tell, I'm real out of practice at the backhoe. Neither one of us have used it for a while. Robin's used it more than I have. But anyway, I was starting to get the hang of it. That where it was moving fast, it's just me not being good with the joysticks. And there's a lot of different positions with both the joysticks. So it just all comes, it's like a rhythm to get going. But this is some hard stuff, so we'll have to, what my plan was to do half and then move and do the other half. I tried to get as much as I could. This is late in the day. So I will try to clear this out, that I've got quite a bit cleared out, and then I'll see if I can get a couple more scoops with my bucket, and then have to continue. Now we're going back. It's about 12 foot from stake to stake. So say 8 foot more back. It's about 4 foot from that stake to where I'm at now. So I've got about another 6-8 feet to go back. So we will get it done as quick as we can. So like I said, hopefully Robin has time to work on it this week. Well, actually, just like every week, there's a chance of rain right now just about every day this week coming up. So this will all get wet again. But I don't know how much rain we're supposed to get. I think it's just, you know, touch and go, which is enough to aggravate you. So we'll continue on. Alright guys, I've about had it for today. Heading back to work tomorrow. Got a lot done this afternoon now. Got started on this anyway. I don't want to make these videos too long unless once I get all the dirt dug out. That's when we'll get into the longer videos on this one. get Robin, if Robin has time this week, maybe she can film a little bit for you so I can keep a couple videos out on it. But that's a good start on for today, and hopefully within a week or so we can have this whole thing dug out. I think Robin's talking about shoring it back so it doesn't cave in. We can, but if it caves in, we just have to dig it out, I guess. But we had enough of it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we thank you for watching the videos, all you that are repeat watchers. If you can, hit the like button. Supposedly that helps something on the video, helps the video travel more on YouTube or something, I don't know. But if you don't, that's fine. But hopefully you subscribe. I've got a few more subscribers. Got a long way to go before, well, you gotta hit 1,000 subscribers. Around 4,000 hours, video hours a year, I think, before they will monetize you. So we got a ways to go. But we're just, like I've said before, we're just, we're already doing the work. We're not creating work to make content. We're just making content out of the stuff we're already going to be doing. And that's why I started the channel. So, and the ones I admire, the ones that just do stuff just to make a video, because that's a lot of work, man. Some of them people put in a lot of work. Them people that go around making them shelters and cabins and stuff, the way they're building them, a lot of them aren't made to last. You can tell by the way they're building them, but hey, man, they're getting out there doing it. So anyway, we thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you back again not too far away from now. Being not been able to make very many videos, so hopefully we can get some more out there. So just depends on what we're doing around here. If we're doing nothing but sitting in a house when it's raining, I don't think you're going to see that, would you? Well, anyway, we thank you, and we love you, and God bless. See you next time.